Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the essentials. Verify your communication skills, project management habits, and content strategy knowledge, because you will coordinate creators and goals. Once done, gather proof, 6-12 months of related work or a portfolio with measurable outcomes. Make sure to set up baseline tools now, like a shared calendar, CMS access, and an analytics dashboard. This lets you act from day one. Start outreach to one creator and schedule a 15-30-minute kickoff meeting. That's your immediate first step. You move into the complex middle. Design a repeatable workflow that reduces friction. Ideation, brief, production, review, publish, report. Document each step so creators know expectations. Then, integrate one project management tool and one analytics platform. This centralizes tasks and data. Explain KPIs, views, engagement percentage, CTR, revenue per publish, so decisions are evidence-driven. Once the workflow runs, pilot it with 1-2 creators for 30 days. Iterate weekly and make sure to capture time to publish, quality scores, and creator feedback. You finish by scaling and tightening handoffs. Standardize briefs and templates so creators can start fast and build a content library for reuse. This reduces rework. Train teams with a 1-hour onboarding, weekly syncs, and clear feedback loops. Reinforce expectations and incentives. When problems occur, act quickly. Root cause the issue, roll back if necessary, reassign tasks, and document the fix for future prevention. If adoption stalls, prioritize the highest impact metric and run a focused 2-week experiment to prove change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.